Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is top-level verbs. It is very difficult. For level 3 students only. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This means the soup is on the stove. It is boiling, but only a little. Simmering. The soup is simmering. To simmer. Also, please check your dictionaries for to simmer down. The politicians are. This means they are at work discussing important issues, the pros and cons, arguing for and against. They are debating. A bill is in politics. Her bicycle is broken. She is. This means she's doing a few different things and trying to fix it by herself. She is tinkering with it now. To make small changes to try to fix or improve something. This one is about cooking. This sauce is used to make the flavor come out, to make the flavor stronger, more noticeable, to enhance the flavor. Bob didn't play tennis well yesterday. Maybe he will. This means to do well, especially after you didn't do well last time. Redeem. Maybe he will redeem himself next time. Redeem verb is very difficult. It has many meanings. Please check the dictionary and read the whole entry. This summer, Bob's holiday and his wife's holiday will. This means that they will happen at the same time. They will coincide. This is where the noun coincidence comes from. Jennifer's business trip to Japan. This means the company will pay for it. They will fund it. We have two ways to use this one. A trail in the forest. They will make a new trail. The second one means the sun or the fire is very hot, burning. Blaze. They will blaze a trail in the forest. This means they separated the garden into 3 different areas. They partitioned the garden into 3 sections. We usually use the verb like this. Bob's father doesn't want the state to. This means to make online gambling legal. To legalize something means to make it legal. Bye-bye.